Hadin ka jing siat yap jong ki hendriungut ki padba ha ka shnong mukro ka bahab po West Jainte Hills District ha ki Pulit jong ka Assam. Menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ha ka arpu arterik unai wing ar hajar arpu ar ula lumya ka jinge langkir ki bat ki rang ba shnong ki nong yalam niam banyakren bat perkhat bnia halor ka ni ka jingja. Hadin jong ka ni ka jinge lam UCM ulayat hu banakal yang jong ka Sorkar kalapan pawi ka jing sngosi halor ka ni ka jingja bala duno ya ka jing imbriu na ka jing siat pathar ki Pulit Assam bat ka Sorkar kalapan sange eru ya kita masa kum ka cherry blossom kum ka dak ka jing sngosi UCM ulapan benaru ba ka Sorkar kan ai Jingiarap Lakh syakito ki ying bala duno ya ka jing imbriu.
Today, on the 22nd of November, an unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jainte Hills district, where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved families who have lost their loved ones. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jainte Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. One Assam forest guard also died due to the firing. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Shillong Civil Hospital. On hearing of the incident, the district magistrate, the superintendent of police and other magistrates rushed to the spot. Inquest has been conducted by the magistrate. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, has also reached the spot of the incident. An FIR has been registered by the Meghalaya Police. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, has also reached the spot of the incident. An FIR has been registered by the Meghalaya Police. The names of the deceased who died on the spot are: number 1, Thal Shadap, male, 45 years. Number 2, Nikashi Dhar, male, 65 years. Number 3, Sikh Talang, male, 55 years. And number 4, one unknown male forest guard of the government of Assam. The state government strongly condemns the incident wherein the Assam police and Assam forest guards entered Meghalaya and resorted to unprovoked firing. Government of Meghalaya will take all steps possible to ensure that justice is done and action is taken against all those responsible for this inhuman act. As a mark of respect and mourning for the deceased, the state government has decided to cancel all official festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival. An ex gratia compensation of rupees 5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased shall be released. The Cabinet will be meeting today in the evening at 5:30 to take and decide on the next course of action which the government of Meghalaya will take in respect to this particular incident that took place.